So a lot of things happened today. So we have another passenger. So the flag will go.
You sing?
It's a really nice marina, by the way. Has a swimming pool over there, so we're gonna be swimming later. I'm having some something to drink there. So yeah, good. So everybody knows now. By now, we were in a quay in Srebreno, and we were banged pretty much around all night, and it started yesterday in the evening. And 3 guys already told us like, maybe you should go to Safdad. And we were like, yeah. Having all the ropes done, we had a lot of ropes on the boat,
9
like you
ropes.
saw, yeah. And having all the ropes on the boat and thinking like, okay, taking them all off again and then go to Safdad and then anchor in like almost dark weather or almost dark in the dark, and like no, we were not gonna do that, but we should have. So luckily I'm not that stubborn. Oh yes, I am. But the team today did really well, guys. Thank you. We were like we were busy with the ropes for like a half an hour or something.
Well,
And then I was in the dinghy.
I don't know if we all did well.
Oh yeah, another thing. I had 2 oars, like paddles, on my dinghy. Sometime last night, they were going off by themselves. So first the dinghy did that, and now the oars or the paddles thought like, we will head into the wide world and never to be seen again, because I checked for them and I couldn't find them. So in this marina, by the way, I saw a lot of dinghies broken and leaking, and all of them were on a graveyard, but there were paddles there.
Digging graveyard.
So I'm gonna ask people here to, maybe I can get some paddles. Would be nice. No, I'm gonna ask them. I'm not gonna end up in a Croatian jail.
I'm gonna ask the
People from the marina.
Oh, I thought you were gonna ask the dinghies if you can take their pedals.
That's what I have to, like, every day, same thing. No, what I say, every day, every hour, it's the same thing. But I could ask the dinghies, by the way. Yeah, I could. Okay, there's some lunch, brunch made. No, brunch, no, lunch, dunch being made. Yeah, dinner and lunch. So I'm gonna grab something as well, and then keep you updated. Live long and can I still do it? Yeah, live long and prosper. So I'm gonna go to the swimming pool with my with my book. So a lot of things happened today. The guys stay at the boat. I'm gonna check out the swimming pool. And yeah, like I said, like there were some things happening, and there will always be something on a boat. And I don't care. I don't mind. Like things happen, and if you have a house, something breaks down all the time as well. So same with the boat. And you get to be more careful for some things. So see you guys later. Live long and prosper. So we have another passenger, but just for now, I think. Hi. Hello. She came on board, or she came here, and we gave her some food, and now she decided to stay in a little bit longer. but we're gonna get rid of her, of course. She's gonna be here for a while. We're just gonna get her off the boat. So we're out here waiting for Loris and Stefan to come out. He's just ducking away there. So we can put up the Italian flag. Guys are just not coming. 2 hours later. So the time has come. Like Loris is on board, and yeah, his flag needs to be up, of course. So we're gonna be putting the flag up as soon as it's tight.
Why am I putting up your flag?
They're having a fight again.
Because if I do it, probably it's gonna fly away.
No.
So here's Loris. He's gonna put the flag up.
That's it. Done.
So the flag will go.
Can you sing the
National anthem.
I can't really sing the national. I can put it on.
Can you do the melody at least?
What?
The melody? How does the melody go?
You don't know?
I know it when I hear it, but I cannot.
Yeah. No, me neither.
And then?
And
Then?
Okay, it's up. Good, guys. 3 nationalities. Flag's looking. The Dutch flag is really looking bad. Croatian flag as well, but they got both 45 knots, so yeah, they're up there. It's official now. Yay! So sometimes things are floating by, and Loris just says something, and it wasn't a floater like in like the other ones, but look at this. Just a whole bouquet, look. And Loris took it out, so I think he's the next one to marry.
Oh, God, no, please.
Because it looks like a bouquet for, like, right?
Yeah.
Wedding.
Yeah, a wedding bouquet.
Loris, I
So they threw it backwards. They threw it backwards, and it landed into the water.
it's a message, Loris.
And now, who got it?
I got it for the ladies, you know?
Okay, yeah.
That's it. So we have a nice present for the next lady on board.
Whoever that may be.
There will be a lady on board?
Yeah.
I'm not leaving the ship.
Okay, Stefan is not leaving now because he hears that there's a lady coming on board. Okay, we're gonna cut this out. Okay, see you guys. So we are we filming each other now? Okay, we're leaving Dubrovnik,
Look at my steering qualities.
and he's steering with his toe, with his big toe. And we're gonna make the offering to Poseidon in a while. It's not the best offering, but best we can do at the moment with all the costs. So yeah, we're gonna leave Dubrovnik. We're gonna follow after our big mega yacht. They're also going to Brindisi, so let's catch them. Okay.
There was no boat on this side, right?
No. So we put the dinghy up like that. You're not gonna hear me because of the wind. Now it's getting better, I think. So yeah, my other camera just didn't want to start up. If I pressed record, then it was going off. So yeah, probably have to check that as well. There's also always something. Live long and prosper. Bye. So we'll do a little offering to Poseidon.
Live long and prosper.